Hi guys, today I'll be talking about artificial intelligence in video games. Before we start, I'll be giving a short description about AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, as we all know it, is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. So where does this take us? And how is this related to video games? Well, to answer that question, AI plays a very big role in video games. In the world of video games, the AI is the visual representation that sometimes takes the form of a 3D rendered model, a cartoony looking sprite, and sometimes an auto-response text-based program. Since the dawn of time, artificial intelligence and video games are already tight. They benefit from one another because they always come in pairs. They work side by side with each other because one cannot work without the other. Because the advent of newer generation video game consoles, AIs are simplified programs that follow a set of commands that will depend on the player's actions, and sometimes they just act out in random. Simply put, they are programmed to follow a code pattern, which is the key for making game strategies. It started with the 8-bit era where games are very simplistic and gameplay is non-linear. Games such as Pong, Pac-Man, Asteroids, Space Invaders, and other old-school games employ an AI system where patterns are very common. At the same time, it was ingenious and it was highly innovative. Today, AIs are much smarter. They can now think, act, and interact like human beings, like they should. And we, as humans, respond repulsively with the AI with almost human behavior together with human-like facial structures, or as scientists would call it, the uncanny valley. AIs are not just programmed well, they also look well because of 3D rendering technologies. They are created not just to entertain, but are created to appeal to human eyes as well. They can sometimes pose a problem since it can have the potential to affect us psychologically because artificial intelligence mimics real human behavior. We can feel the AI's pre-programmed emotions and we tend to fall in love with it. The results will devastate you because it will reshape our consciousness. If you want to know more about Uncanny Valley, you are free to search in Google for more info. Going back, video games are complex structures of codes that emulate the real world, which are almost imperceptible from our own. And adding AIs to the twist will give you a whole new kind of interactive experience. It separates us from reality by giving us a feel of what it's like to act on our own and how you would respond to a given scenario. AI-driven agents can help stimulate the mind by adapting a strategic planning and corresponds to the environment. In today's generation, it is one of the benchmarks for making good games since realism is the new trend. Overall, video games and AIs are just one of the few evolutions in technology. Games will always remain to be games and reality will always be reality. It is highly doubtful that video games will take over our lives. That idea is just silly. It can be an escape from reality, but we have our very own culture, and I still believe that culture is still stronger than computer-made make-believes. So in a nutshell, that is all about how AI works in video games. Again, this is JP Laluz signing off.